स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू नॉलेज एकेडमी। कैसे हैं आप सभी। आज का जो टॉपिक है वह पीजीटी इंग्लिश एग्जामिनेशन 2011 से संबंधित है। इसकी एग्जामिनेशन डेट जून 2016 थी। इसके संबंध में हम डिस्कस करेंगे। एग्जामिनेशन की दृष्टि से इम्पॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि कई बार प्रीवियस ईयर्स के क्वेश्चंस को रिपीट कर दिया जाता है। इस तरह से टीजीटी इंग्लिश एवं पीजीटी इंग्लिश दोनों के लिए ही ये बेनिफिशियल है। 425 मार्क्स का ये पेपर है, इसमें नो मार्किंग है। इसके माध्यम से आपकी एक समझ विकसित होगी कि एग्जामिनेशन में किस तरह से क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं, उनकी प्रेजेंटेशन क्या होती है, क्वेश्चंस की लैंग्वेज कैसी होती है तथा आप क्वेश्चन को कितना समझ पाते हैं और कितना हल कर पाते हैं। इस तरह से सेल्फ एनालिसिस में आपके लिए बेनिफिशियल रहेगा। बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द सेशन आई वुड लाइक टू से दैट प्लीज लाइक, subscribe, share and motivate channel for new updates. It will be beneficial for you. You are most welcome for your suggestions and comments for teaching learning perspective. Let's start it. First question है, read the following passage and answer the question 1 to 5 the following. In Asia and much of the third world, trees are still destroyed in the old fashioned way. First of all, पैराग्राफ दिया गया है, आप इसको पढ़ें, समझें, सुने तथा देखें। आवश्यक हो तो पिक्चर्स भी ले सकते हैं, वीडियो पॉज कर सकते हैं। एंड लिसन केयरफुली। दे आर कट डाउन फॉर फ्यूल एंड कॉर्पलैंड इन यूरोप। There is new and potentially more deadly culprit. The German call it Waldsterben, the dying forest syndrome. But the disease is far मोर देन अ जर्मन फिनोमिनन। यहाँ पर जो वॉल्डस्टर्बन शब्द है या वर्ड का प्रयोग किया गया है, वॉल्डस्टर्बन शब्द का प्रयोग ट्रीज डेक्लाइन के संदर्भ में है। इट मीन्स द सिस्टम ऑफ ट्रीज डेक्लाइन इन सेंट्रल यूरोप फ्रॉम 1970s considered to be causal by atmospheric pollution in which woody plants are killed either by parasites or due to acid rain and drought। यानी वॉल्डस्टर्बन की स्थिति तब आती है जबकि वुडी प्लांट्स पैरासाइट्स एवं एसिड रेन तथा ड्राउट के कारण प्रभावित होते हैं, डिस्ट्रॉय होते हैं। सिंस इट वॉज ऑब्जर्व्ड फर्स्टली ऑब्जर्व्ड बाय जर्मन साइंटिस्ट इन ऑटम ऑफ 1980s, यानी 1980 में जर्मन साइंटिस्ट के द्वारा इस प्रॉब्लम को देखा गया। द मिस्टीरियस मेलेडी हैज रेज्ड अक्रॉस यूरोप, ब्लाइटिंग वुड्स इन कंट्रीज एज फार apart as Sweden and Italy. Explanation for the epidemic range from a cyclic change in the environment to baffing from trees cancer. But the most convincing evidence points to air pollution. Indeed, saving the rapidly deteriorating forest of Europe will probably require a two-pronged strategy, an offensive campaign that includes the breeding of पॉल्यूशन इम्यून ट्रीज। इस तरह से आप रेस्ट ऑफ द पैराग्राफ पढ़ सकते हैं। इसके संबंध में क्वेश्चंस देखते हैं कि अकॉर्डिंग टू द पैसेज विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट। इसका जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है पैराग्राफ से पूछा गया है और इसमें 4 ऑप्शंस हैं, यानी 4 ऑप्शंस हैं। इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वह सी है। अ साइक्लिक चेंज इन द एनवायरनमेंट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर डिफॉरेस्टेशन। अगला जो क्वेश्चन है वह भी पैराग्राफ से ही संबंधित है। द डाइंग फॉरेस्ट सिंड्रोम इज अ डिसीज दैट। इसमें भी 4 ऑप्शंस हैं। इज पेकुलियर टू द फॉरेस्ट ऑफ एशिया। सेकेंड वन, हैज स्प्रेड रैपिडली over the forest of Europe, is confident, is confined to the forest of Germany, has affected forest all over the world। इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वह डी है, has affected forest all over the world। Now moving to next question, the writer suggests that there are 4 options। The correct answer is pollution immune trees will absorb toxic emission। Moving to next question, the writer's approach towards the problem of forest devastation is one of। Right answer is C, well thought out strategy। Moving to next question, it is also connected it is also connected with this paragraph। Immune means there are 4 options। Correct answer is not affected by a given influence। Moving to next question, a statement which may contain 2 or more meaning in an example of। Again I will repeat, a statement which may contain 2 or more meanings is an example of. There are 4 options, but the correct answer is ambiguity. Its correct answer is ambiguity. Again, I shall read the question. A statement which may contain 2 or more meanings is an example of. Its correct answer is ambiguity. What is the meaning of ambiguity? Let's know. It means अस्पष्टता, यानी स्पष्ट ना होना, संदिग्धता का होना, वक्रोक्ति होना, यानी किसी बात को वक्र तरीके से कहना। इसका एग्जाम्पल किसी भी पोयम से लिया जा सकता है कि किसी भी पोयम्स के कई तरह के इंटरप्रिटेशंस हो सकते हैं। इट मीन्स कोई भी डेफिनेट मीनिंग का ना होना। एम्बिग्विटी द स्टेट ऑफ हैविंग मोर देन द पॉसिबल मीनिंग और मोर देन वन पॉसिबल मीनिंग, द स्टेट of being difficult to understand or explain because involving of many different aspects. Moving to next question, which is about figures of speech. A figures of speech wherein a comparison is made between two unlike quantities without the use of words like or as is termed. There are 4 options. Correct answer is metaphor, yani रूपक अलंकार. What is the definition of metaphor? Let's know. A metaphor is an implied simile. It does not like the simile. Yes, we should remember a metaphor is an implied simile. It does not like the simile. State that one thing is like another or acts as another but takes that for granted and proceeds as if the two things were one. Moving to next question. A play on words wherein a word is used to convey two meanings at the same time is called. There are 4 options and the correct one is pun. Again, this question is about figures of speech. What is the definition of pun? Let's know. A pun consists in the use of word in such a way that it is capable of more than one. I would like to repeat it again. A pun consists in the use of a word in such a way that it is capable of more than one application, the object being to produce a ludicrous effect. Moving to next question. A work that makes fun of another work by imitating some aspect of writers is called. There are 4 options and the correct answer is parody. इंग्लिश लिटरेचर में कुछ टर्म्स होते हैं जिनके पर्सपेक्टिव में क्वेश्चंस पूछ लिए जाते हैं, जैसे सॉलिलॉकी क्या है, पैरोडी क्या है, ट्रेजेडी क्या है। उसी पर्सपेक्टिव में ये क्वेश्चन है कि पैरोडी क्या है। अ वर्क दैट मेक्स फन ऑफ अनदर वर्क बाय इमिटेटिंग some aspect of the writers is called parody. Its correct answer is C. And what is the definition of this? Imitation of another's writer's work where ridicule is main objective. Now moving to next question. A scene that yes, let's listen it carefully. Moving to next question. A scene that Moving to next question. A scene that interrupts the normal chronological sequence of events in a story to depict something that happened at an earlier time. Its right answer is A. Flashback. We can see its explanation in box. Flashbacks, a sudden, very clear, strong memory of that happened in the past that is so real you feel that you are living through the experience again. So its meaning is flashback. Choose the option which can be substituted for the given sentences. Question 11. The study of ancient scientists. It means this criteria is connected from archaeology. What is the explanation of archaeology? Archaeology, the study of culture of the past and the periods of history by examining and objects found in ground. Moving to next question. A state in which the few govern the many. ये question government के form से संबंधित है and its right answer is oligarchy. What is the explanation of oligarchy? A noun. It is a noun, a form of government in which only a small group of people hold all power. यानी यह एक ऐसी गवर्नमेंट का फॉर्म है जिनमें कुछ लोगों के समूह के पास सारी पावर्स होती हैं. मेडिकल स्टडी ऑफ स्किन एंड इट्स डिसीज. मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. मेडिकल स्टडी ऑफ स्किन एंड डिसीज. इट्स राइट आंसर इज सी. डर्माटोलॉजी. मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. मर्डर ऑफ अ ब्रदर. इट्स राइट आंसर इज डी. फेट्रिसाइड. मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अ लाइट sailing boat built especially for racing. Its right answer is B. Yacht. Moving to next question, fill in the blank with the most appropriate choice अवेलेबल 21 to 25, यानी 21 से 25 तक जो क्वेश्चंस हैं उनमें फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स हैं तथा मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट वर्ड को लिखना है या सिलेक्ट करना है। डैश द मून हैज़ नो वाटर, इट्स solid crust does respond to the gravitational force of the earth. Its correct answer is A. Although the moon has no water. Although यहाँ पर conjunction है and used for introducing a sentence that makes the main statement in a sentence some surprising. Moving to next question. Dash 70% alcohol is more effective than 100% alcohol. Its right answer is D, except an antiseptic. Moving to next question 18. Hydrocarbons dash by engine exhaust react with nitrogen oxides to form complex toxic gases. Its correct answer is A, are given off. Give off means to produce such as a smell, heat, light etc. The flower gave off a fragrance perfume. Moving to next question. Ozone dash extremely active chemically and succeeds in damaging any vegetation it comes in contact with. Its correct answer is which is ozone, which is extremely active chemically and succeeds in damaging any vegetation it comes in contact with. So its correct answer is C. Which one? Moving to next question. Temperature inversion often occur when dash in the late afternoon. Its correct answer is A. The earth's surface is cooled. Moving to next question. Jonathan insisted on dash out. There are 4 options and the correct answer is B. Going. Jonathan insisted on going out. As we can see, after preposition gerundial verb is used. It is a rule of preposition. Moving to next question. This is a diamond ring which is the thief stolen. Correct answer is A, or seldomly C. So what is the correct answer? Let's repeat it again. This is the diamond ring which is the thief stole, steal, stole or stealing. So the correct answer is C, stole. As we can see, stole is an irregular verb which is used in a simple past tense. All the pupils dash to the beach. Moving to next question. All the pupils dash to the beach. It means the structure shows the nature of person. We can see what is the structure of sentence. So this structure shows the nature of present continuous tense and continuing taking ing. So its correct answer is A. Moving to next question. Dash prevent pupil from driving off the road. They put up more steel lamps. Its correct answer is A. In order to prevent people from driving off the road, they put up more steel lamps. Moving to next question. I ate a dash of chocolate cake. I ate a dash of chocolate cake. So its correct answer is B, piece. I ate a piece of chocolate cake. That's all for today. Please